Hey everyone, today we are playing this game and I just forgot what it's called. It's called RAFT, this game. It's a really cool game where you have to survive on this raft, and I've already started it, just played it for a bit. I restarted a new game because I was pretty good at this game, but I started a new game just to film this. And I've got my sister with me here today. Can you say hi?
Hi guys.
It's my sister. Right now we're just hooking up items like this. And we're getting all sorts of stuff. Let's see. We can get a wall. No, let's get a... Oh, I don't know what to get. I really need some large stairs. But that's okay. Do you want to say anything?
No.
Okay, my sister.
You can just get that ladder.
The ladder?
Yeah, to read the steps.
Okay. My sister's saying we should get the ladder. But the ladder goes straight up. It's not tilted. I'll even show you. Look, it goes straight up.
Oh, then just put a wall.
Yeah, I think it's best to put a wall up. Okay. We have exactly the needed wood to build a wall. Where should we build it now?
You can just build it there.
Okay, let's build it here then. No, never mind. Let's not get a wall. For now, let's see. Let's get all this stuff. Oh, this is a long catch. Okay, I don't know if it's gonna be able to go that far. Nope. Oh, box crate. Oh, I got canned food, lockpick, and junk.
You can get it now. That big thing.
Yeah, I can. No, I don't have enough wood.
Oh.
Let's keep on hooking up these items. Of course, my inventory is full. Bruh. Huh? I don't even remember buying these stuff. Wait, what?
It's because you robbed. It was like, you know, the wall, right? Right? Because I saw the wall in it. Oh, you didn't get it.
Of course, my inventory is full.